But first, before you do anything, please unplug the power source before you do any maintenance on any appliance. Okay, I got a Whirlpool washer that's not spinning. The clothes are wet every time it goes on spin cycle, so that means it's not spinning or agitating. So I will show you what I mean with that. On spin there, and see, you hear that? You hear that noise? And this ain't spinning at all. So what that tells me is that this ain't the problem, because this has locking mechanisms in it. So if it twirls this way, it's good, but if it goes this way, it stops. And that's what agitates the clothes, so they wash together and rub together like that. So this is a problem right here. The drum ain't spinning. And so with that noise, I'll let you guys hear it again. Put it on spin. So you can tell the pump's working in this washer. The motor's working because it's running. You could hear it run. So that leaves me with the couplings, I mean. So I'm going to go and show you guys how to change that. So first you want to do is take this panel off, and you're going to have, let's see here. You're going to have a screw on this side, right back here in this little notch. And then you're going to take this bolt off. And you're going to do it with the same side, with this screw right here. And there's no bolt right here to take off. You want to pop these off, and then you want to take this off and just pop it out. And then you're just going to pull it apart, just like that. And this whole thing should just come right out. Okay, we're going to move this aside so it could work on the bottom. The real good thing about this, it's really, really light. It's just like sheet metal. It's really light. Okay, and this is what we're going to look at right here. And we're going to pop this off, and we're going to replace it. Okay, so what we're going to do is pop the clip off. Oh, by the way, I put a rag under here because you might get some spillage. Pop that off, pop that off, just like that. Okay, put that there. Now we're gonna remove this guy right here. So we're going to take off these two screws. Okay, once we got those off. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to pop where you took the screws off, you're going to pop it off. And here's the top part right here, and the bottom part's on the ground. This will fall down, so be careful. So that's why I put some towels down also, and that to help it if it falls down. So once you pop this guy off, and just remember which is top and bottom. So we're going to set that aside. Take out the motor. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is take off this little clip right here. Okay, so once we take out the motor and take this guy off of here, well, take this guy off of here, we can push the motor back. And let's see what's the problem. Oh yeah, see right here, this is a cup link. And it has 3 teeth on each. And it's busted. If you could look at that, it's cracked right in half. So that's causing it from the motor's working, it's not spinning, because that right here goes onto here, and what it does is once it's working, the augmentation spins and it gets your clothes to wash, and that's why we're getting no spin. So these are what the pieces look like. If you can see, there's 3 on each one, on each side, and they go on here. Pieces with metal in them. And so hopefully it lasts a lot longer. But this would be the main cause of your washer not spinning. If everything else is working, you want to check this guy out, because this is the main cause of it. So let's go ahead and change it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull these out. Let me get a screwdriver. You're gonna want to come from behind and pull these out. I'm not worried about ripping that because I have a new one. Rotate it and jiggle it out, and it'll come right out. Okay. Now, what you want to do is find the side that's a little bit snug, and you want it against this guy right here. So let's make sure if we got a snug one. Oh yeah, that one's really snug. Okay, we're gonna pop it in place. Okay, so what I did was I got one of these guys and I just put it right there, and I used a mallet and hammered that in. Now it's snug and it's flush. Now we're gonna put the other pieces on. So you're gonna just push this on top of it like so. Now you're gonna get this guy, the other one, and you're gonna put it in the grooves that are hollow. Slip that in just like that. And remember, the other one was broken. And now we put this guy on. Okay, now we're gonna put the motor back. Let's just make sure this is the same way as the motor right here, so it fits snug. Let's take all this stuff out. There. Okay, let's see if you guys can see that. Okay, and then you're gonna these guys that we took off earlier. We're going to put them back on here. So you have a little groove right back here. Just put it in and twist. And then pop them back on. Okay, and then you do the one on the bottom. Same method. Okay, now once you guys got these on and everything's in place, you don't even have to touch the hose. So we're going to put the whole thing together and turn it on and check it out. One more little thing. Don't forget to put your clip back on. Okay, once you hear that snap, it's in place. Okay, so after you put this back on the same way you took it off. Okay guys, I tested it. It works. It spins, it drains, it does everything. That was a fix. Hit a thumbs up, hit a like, or comment me. Thank you for watching.